If you want to learn how to use Hostinger WordPress, this video will walk you through the exact beginner-friendly steps so you can get into your site, create content, change your design, and install useful plugins without confusion. Whether you're building your first website or just trying to find the right menus inside Hostinger, this guide will make the process simple and fast. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more clear, step-by-step software videos just like this. Alright, let's start with the first step. Go ahead and log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside, look at the sidebar on the left and click on Websites. This is where Hostinger keeps all of your hosted sites in one place, so if you have more than one website, make sure you pick the correct one. Take a moment to find the website you want to work on, and then look for the WP Admin button next to it. Clicking WP Admin is important because that takes you directly into your WordPress dashboard for that site. This is the main control panel where you'll manage your pages, posts, themes, and plugins. If you've ever wondered how Hostinger and WordPress connect, this is the bridge between the hosting dashboard and the WordPress admin area. Once you're in WP Admin, you're ready to start building and editing your website. Now let's create a page or post. In the WordPress dashboard, go to Pages and then click Add Page. This is how you create new website pages like About, Contact, Services, or any custom landing page you need. After the page opens, you can start adding your content. That might include text, headings, images, buttons, or anything else your page needs. Keep your layout clean and organized so visitors can understand your message quickly. When your page is ready, click Publish. That makes the page live on your website so people can view it. If you want to create a blog post instead of a page, the process is very similar, and you would use the post section in WordPress. But for this tutorial, the key thing to remember is that WordPress lets you add content fast, and Hostinger gives you the access to manage it all in one place. Next, let's talk about editing the design of your website. If you want to change how your site looks, go to Appearance and then click Themes. This is where you can browse the available themes, which control the overall style, layout, and visual feel of your site. A theme can completely change the look of your website without you needing to code anything. From here, choose a theme you like, then install and activate it. Once activated, the new theme becomes the active design for your site. Some themes are better for blogs, some are better for business websites, and some are built for portfolios or online stores. So if you're not sure which one to choose, pick one that matches your website's purpose and keep it simple to start. Now let's install plugins, which are one of the best parts of WordPress. Plugins add extra features to your site, like contact forms, SEO tools, security, caching, page builders, and more. To add one, go to Plugins and then click Add New. This opens the plugin library where you can search for the feature you need. Once you find the plugin you want, click Install and then click Activate. Installing adds the plugin to your WordPress site, and activating turns it on so you can use it right away. Be careful not to install too many plugins at once because too many can slow down your site or create conflicts. It's always best to install only the tools you actually need. At this point, you've learned the basic workflow for using Hostinger with WordPress. You know how to log in, open your website from the Hostinger dashboard, enter WP Admin, create pages, publish content, change your theme, and install plugins. That means you now have the foundation to start building and managing your site with confidence. If you're just getting started, the best approach is to explore one section at a time. Open a page, make a small change, test a plugin, or preview a theme before fully committing. The more familiar you get with the dashboard, the easier WordPress becomes. And because Hostinger makes access so simple, you can focus more on building your website and less on trying to find the right buttons. If this video helped you understand how to use Hostinger WordPress, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. It really helps the channel and it lets me know you want more step-by-step guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.